Hey there, welcome back to Spirit of a Handyman. Today I want to show you a basement that we did in Cincinnati. This was kind of trying to finish a basement on a budget, and so I'll just kind of show you some of the things that we did that I think turned out really nice, and some of the pros and cons of what that looks like. This is the view coming down the stairs. This is the main entry point. There's no other egress, so there's no bedroom. We could have dug out a window, and instead of using these glass block windows, we could have had like an egress window, but we decided to do it on a budget. So there was already a toilet right here. We had to pull the toilet out by about 6 inches, so that involved busting up some concrete in order to adjust that plumbing. But otherwise, we've got a little half bathroom there, so just framed that in. We've got a little closet on the stairs. That's the bottom side of the chimney. It had these glass block windows, which we decided to keep, and we just cased them in. So, you know, framed out the casing and then built around it. There's a little closet that we just added the door. Obviously, you can see the cinder block in there, block foundation. We left the, where the water heater was, we changed to a vented or a on-demand water heater, just to try to free up some room. So obviously you can still see like all the exposed wires, all the exposed plumbing. We did go ahead and create these little boxes for the lighting, just basically 2x4 and drywall, and then we popped in those recessed lighting. Down the road we may paint the ceiling, but for now we're gonna leave it like that. We rerouted the dryer vent to go through the glass block there. Again, just kind of framed up that wall in front of the existing cinder block. Built a little closet around the meter here for the gas, just to kind of close it in, make it look a little more finished. One of the things that we did was we did an epoxy floor on this. Instead of trying to lay LVP and level everything, we kept the drain there. So if we ever do need to do anything with this basement, super easy, right? If there's a leak, something like that, you've got access directly above with all the exposed ceiling, and it cleans up super easy with that epoxy floor. So I hope you found that helpful and useful. That is, again, just an idea of how to finish kind of a historic, by historic I mean, you know, 100-year-old house. So hope that gives you some ideas and some pointers. Comment down below. Would love to hear your ideas of what you did to finish your basement, or things that you think are a good or bad idea with this one. Let's foster that together. In the meantime, click that subscribe button and stay tuned for more updates from Spirit of a Handyman.
He's got the spirit of a handyman.